When I explain my role as an underwriter, I always find myself using the term problem solver, and I think that best sums up who we really are. Underwriters help our customers every day to protect them from an unexpected or sudden financial loss. We give them that peace of mind. There is always a constant change of pace as products, technology, and service continue to evolve, but the people focus remains constant, and that is what I love about the role. In this conversation, I'll provide insights based on my experience as an underwriter and some of the things that we do to achieve best outcomes for our customers. My name is Renee, and this is Being an Underwriter. An underwriter is the person who will provide the policy coverage to a customer. So they will look at the information received from the insured and assess what the risk level is. They'll determine the appropriate premium to apply, excess to apply, and set the terms and conditions for that customer. They will also manage the balance between offering policy coverage to our customers, but also ensuring that we have a profitable portfolio for the insurer. An underwriter spends most of their day helping customers to understand the policy coverage, so what they're insured for, what's covered and what's excluded under the policy that they've purchased. They will underwrite new business quotations, renewal invitations, and also transact any policy maintenance inquiries that are required. Occasionally, they will attend an industry event, a training session, or team meetings. The factors that influence an underwriter's decision, first and foremost, is the underwriting guidelines. So those guidelines are basically a set of instructions or requirements that an underwriter must follow. Aside from that, the underwriter will also look at the characteristics of that individual risk. They will also look at the history. So has there been any claims made by the insured? Are there any trends? If there's any frequency in occurrences that is resulting in claims? If the risk is assessed to be too high to be accepted, then the underwriter will also look to, are there any other solutions? So can we apply an imposed excess? Can we restrict cover or change the terms and conditions in order to make that risk acceptable? The underwriter's customer is ultimately the insured. They are the policy holder. They are the entity that is protected under the insurance policy for any claims that may arise. Also, for an underwriter, we may deal with a strata manager, a lot owner, or an insurance broker. So the customer could be anyone who is transacting on that insurance policy, but ultimately the insured is the customer. It's very important for an underwriter to build rapport with a customer. We want to make sure that those interactions we have with our customers are really positive and that we're always providing an excellent customer experience. An underwriter best assists their customers by listening to the needs of the customer and what the customer is actually trying to achieve. It's really important for an underwriter to show empathy when it's needed, and really important for an underwriter to provide really clear, simple explanations when discussing insurance needs with a customer. An underwriter communicates in a way that is clear, simple, and easy to understand. An underwriter provides general advice only. We can't provide a personal opinion or take into account the customer's individual needs. We provide factual information on the policy coverage. An underwriter will use various methods of communication on a daily basis. It really depends on how that information or query is being received by the underwriter. We will deal with various channels, whether that's an email, a phone call, or an online platform, and we respond back through those same channels wherever possible. No matter what method we're using for the communication, it's really important that we communicate in a way that is friendly, professional, and simple for the customer to understand. For an underwriter to develop their technical skills, there is professional development that they can undertake and professional qualifications, but I find that an underwriter learns the most on the job, in the role, gaining experience and learning from the people around us. An underwriter should be curious and ask questions about how things work and why we do things the way that we do them. Take notes and utilise any internal resources available, such as an underwriting manual or any other learning and development tools available to them. It's really important for an underwriter to understand the market that we are operating in, what local or global issues might be impacting the insurance industry and their customer. Underwriters can use this knowledge to shape meaningful conversations and confidently engage with customers. Underwriters can attend industry events, keep up to date with any industry news, and listen to their customers about any challenges they may be facing in order to best help them. There's a lot of career opportunity within underwriting. We use our technical or analytical skills, our people skills, and leadership skills every day within the role. Anyone who wants to stay in underwriting, they can take their careers to being a team leader, an underwriting manager, a national underwriter, heads of department. I've seen people go on to be business development managers, transfer their skills to insurance broking or claims. The sky's really the limit. It's what an underwriter chooses to do with that skill set and those opportunities. The ever-evolving, changing environment that we work in is always a challenge for an underwriter. We need to be the expert on any changes that occur that impact our customers. We need to be able to explain those changes and guide the customer through any of those changes that are relevant to them, all while maintaining an excellent customer experience. I love that the role is always engaging. There's a new challenge almost every day to sink your teeth into. No 2 days are ever the same. And we get to work with incredible people, whether that's in our team, the wider insurance industry, or our customers. We're really there for each other and we learn a lot from each other. Those are the things that I love about being an underwriter.